Hi, I'm Stephany, and welcome to Repair and Replace, your online resource for quick and easy repairs. Today, we're going to replace the humidifier plates in a White Rodgers H-40 humidifier. To order online, explore our website below. To begin, you'll need new plates and a Phillips screwdriver. Humidifiers maintain the proper humidity level in your home by adding moisture to the air. In your humidifier are several nylon plates that wick water up from the reservoir. When air passes over the plates, it picks up moisture and is distributed in the air around your home by your furnace. Over time, calcium and mineral deposits build up on these plates, which reduces the plate's ability to absorb water. Unscrew the 2 screws and remove the cover. Remove the old plates from the reservoir and discard. Slide the new plates in the slots on the reservoir with the shorter side facing upwards. These plates come in a set of 5. However, there are 6 slots on the humidifier. You can place the plates in any of the slots. Replace the cover on the humidifier and re-screw into place. If you found this video useful, hit like. To keep up to date on Repair and Replace, please subscribe. And for the widest selection of parts, low prices, and same-day shipping, explore our website below. Thanks for watching.